Let's open a new project in Blender. We'll delete the default cube and add a reference image of a lava lamp, scale it up, and ensure that it's sitting on the world origin. Let's add a cylinder and move it up on the Z. We can see that our image is a bit in the way, so let's move it back on the Y. Coming back to the front view, let's grab the top vertices and move them to the top of our lava lamp. We're then going to add some loop cuts where our object changes size. Then we can scale those vertices until we have a match to our reference photo, or close enough. We're then going to extrude the faces along the normals for the base and top of our lamp. Let's open up a shader editor and add some materials to our lava lamp. We're going to assign those materials to the correct parts of our model. Now we're going to add a plane, scale that up a bit, and then extrude a back wall, just to give us a basic background to render against. We'll give it a simple material, and then move on to adding an area light. We can rotate the light on the X by 180 degrees, and bring it up on the Z axis and scale it so that it fits our model. We should also shade smooth our model to remove the light pixelization. We're going to add a mesh circle and give it a bit of an emission material. We then add some metaballs and place and scale them, somewhat randomly within our lamp. Make sure all of your balls are contained inside your lamp. Once those are situated, we're going to start our animation. Let's bump our frames up to 800, since lava lamps are very slow moving, and we need to animate both the up and down movement of each ball. One thing to keep in mind is how lava lamps work. The lava is wax, which melts on the light bulb at the bottom and rises to the top. Then, as it cools, it drops back down again. We want the first and last frames to be our starting points, and we want to vary the movement across the balls. When we get to the top, we should allow it several frames to stay in that position. When our balls hit the bottom, as with a real lava lamp, they will tend to slide to the side and flatten. Repeat this animation on all of the balls, ensuring that the lava balls are not leaving the confines of the lamp. Once we are happy with the movement, we can render our animation. And there you have it. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please leave comments or questions below, and I'll do my best to get back with you. Be sure to like and subscribe. I will have more content out soon.